Hello students, today we are going to learn about Students, now let's find out about the binary number system. The binary number system consists of only two digits, that is 0 and 1. Since this system uses two digits, it has the base 2. All digital computers use this number system and convert the input data from the decimal format into its binary equivalent. Students, do you know that Gottfried Leibniz, a German mathematician, is credited with the invention of the modern binary number system? Now students, why should we use binary? A computer cannot understand human language. Rather, it understands only the binary code. Therefore, the data is entered into a computer, is converted into its binary equivalent. It further converts the binary results into their decimal equivalents for output. Students, let us have a discussion. Why do we use binary number system in computers? Okay, now let us find out how the decimal number is converted into binary system. The equivalence between binary and decimal numbers can be understood with the given examples. To convert a decimal number into a binary number, follow the given rules. Step 1. Divide the given decimal number with the base 2. Step 2. Write down the remainder and divide the quotient again by 2. Step 3. Repeat the step 2 till the quotient is 0. Step 4. Write the remainders obtained in each step in the reverse order to form the binary equivalent to the given decimal number. Example 1. Least significant digit. Most significant digit. Thus, 25 raised to power 10 equals to 11001 raised to power 2. The base of number is given as subscript. Example 2. Least significant digit. Most significant digit. Thus, 321 base 10 equals to 101,000,001 base 2. That is, placing the least significant digit at the top and the most significant digit at the bottom. Observe that the remainders obtained in each step are written in the reverse order. Now we should learn how to convert binary to decimal number. To convert a binary number into decimal number, follow the steps given on the next page. Multiply each binary number with its positional value, which is in terms of powers of 2, starting from the extreme right digit. Increase the power one by one, keeping the base fixed as 2. Calculate the sum of all products to get the decimal number. Example 1. 1010 base 2. 0 into 2 raised to power 0 equals to 0. 1 into 2 raised to power 1. 2. 0 into 2 raised to power 2 equals to 0. 1 into 2 raised to power 3 equals to 8. Thus, 1010 base 2 equals to 10 base 10. Example 2. 1001 base 2. 1 into 2 raised to power 0 equals to 1. 0 into 2 raised to power 1 equals to 0. 0 into 2 raised to power 2 equals to 0. 1 into 2 raised to power 3 equals to 8. Thus, 1001 base 2 equals to 9 base 10. Example 3. 11001001 base 2 equals to 1 into 2 raised to power 8 plus 1 into 2 raised to power 7 plus 0 into 2 raised to power 6 plus 0 into 2 raised to power 5 plus 0 into 2 raised to power 4 plus 1 into 2 raised to power 3 plus 0 into 2 raised to power 2 plus 0 into 2 raised to power 1 plus 1 into 2 raised to power 0. 256 plus 128 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 8 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1 equals to 393. Thus, 11000101 base 2 equals to 393 base 10. Students, let's know more that most computer operations use the byte or a multiple of the bytes, 16 bits, 24, 32, 64, etc. Hexadecimal makes it easier to write these large binary numbers.